Hi, my name is Amy and I work here at your King of Prussia Best Buy in the digital imaging department. And one of the most common questions that we get over here is what are megapixels and what makes a camera with more megapixels better than a camera with fewer megapixels? So let's start with an easy question. What are megapixels? Megapixels are a series of dots, colored and shaded dots that make up a picture. There's literally hundreds of thousands of them on each photo. And if you blow a photo up to a certain size, you'll begin to see the little dots. And we call that pixelation because you can actually see the pixels. Megapixels are a series of these dots that will actually make up your photograph. Now a 10 megapixel, like this little Fuji here, would be just fine. And then 10 megapixels is about the average of what you'll find in some of your easier to use point and shoots. 10 megapixels would be perfectly fine for making prints up to about a 10 by 20 inch. The more megapixels you have, though, the larger the print you can make. For example, okay, again, this is a 10 megapixel camera, and down here we have a Sony camera, right here, that is a 14 megapixel camera. This camera, you could easily make a poster-sized print that would be about, say, 25 by 35 inches. And it would be able to print that just fine. Another thing to look for with more megapixels would be if you need to blow up a small portion of a photo that you've already taken, if you need to zoom in and expand a certain portion of a photo. The more megapixels you have, the clearer it will be and the less grainy it will be when you zoom in. So that's just a little bit about pixels and megapixels and how they work and the difference between the cameras that we carry. And if you have any other questions, certainly stop into your King of Prussia Best Buy and talk to me or one of the other associates in digital imaging.